everyone and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm going to vlog a day in my life. So I think today's actually gonna be quite a fun day. I wish I would have vlogged yesterday because yesterday was actually super fun as well, but I did not vlog. So today I have a feeling it's gonna be really fun too, so I thought I would just vlog and take you guys along with me. Tanner is in town, my sister's boyfriend, and we are just doing a whole bunch of fun things this weekend. Today is actually Monday, and we are going to Ikea, and he has never been to Ikea, and if you guys know, you know, I love Ikea. I'm obsessed with Ikea. I actually just pretty much replaced everything in my room with Ikea furniture. I'm excited for him to experience Ikea, and it's just gonna be a fun day. I think we're gonna get sushi maybe as well, and it's just gonna be super fun.
This is David Dobrik.
It is not David Dobrik. So checking in, we just ordered sushi, and I am so excited. Honestly, I think it's been like 4 months since I've had sushi, maybe even 5, but I've been craving. I just feel like I'm finally having sushi. I am so excited. I've been craving sushi the whole entire quarantine, and we haven't really been getting any we haven't been getting very much takeout food or anything. So this is my first time having sushi in like over 4 months, and I am so excited. Honestly, I should have just gotten like everything on the menu. I got a California roll and a fried roll, which I know are both super basic, but I don't know. Things that are basic for a reason because they're popular and they're good. Oh, and you guys haven't met Tanner yet, like in person. I feel like you guys have only pretty much met him like via FaceTime or like seen him a little bit in vlogs, but you guys are like officially meeting him. So let me introduce you. Now, I feel like you guys are officially meeting him. So yeah, this is Tanner, boyfriend, and he's really cute and smart.
Okay.
Tell the vlog a little bit about yourself. Fun fact, he's a pharmacist.
I'm not a pharmacist yet. I'm in pharmacy school.
Okay, he's going to be a pharmacist.
I'm an intern.
He's close to being a pharmacist.
2 years is relative.
Fun fact, he has really good eyebrows.
No, I don't. Okay, don't bring attention to that. Fun fact, I am double jointing my elbows, so I can do this. It looks a lot cooler if it's straightforward, but yeah, that's cool.
Interesting.
Double jointed my thumbs.
Ooh,
So I can do that. You can pop them in and out. I have adopted twin siblings from Ghana, Africa.
Oh yeah.
That's unique.
A really good dog bark, like a really good make dog.
I can.
Do it.
Not real. That's the good thing about Tanner is that you can do anything very spontaneously and he catches on.
Why don't you tell us the vlog some fun facts about you? They've known you for a while, but how much do they really know about you?
I broke both of my legs when I was 4 years old. I work retail.
She broke her hand doing a headstand on FaceTime with me.
To impress him,
when you guys first started
tried to, I think we'd only been talking for like a month, but I wanted to impress him and he asked me if I could do a handstand, so I was like, of course I can. Never done a
Headstand
in my life, and so I tried it and I fell over, so smacked it on the corner of my bed and fell on it. I don't know which one of it did it, but then I finished the FaceTime call with Tanner because I didn't want to be dramatic, and then after we hung up, I went to the emergency room with my mom, and then I told him the next day.
I remember that.
A picture of yourself smiling with the cast. She loves wiener dogs.
And wiener dogs.
Yeah, you do.
Screensaver on his phone.
It moves.
It's Michael dancing.
But how did he get, what? How? How is that? Oh my gosh. So we're out here with our takeout sushi, our to-go sushi. We're out here at this beautiful park that's close by. Dad works close by, so he is meeting us here. So yeah, that's the update for the vlog. Everyone say hello. Also look at my cute little Casetify case. Use code Emily Grace for 20% off. Lauren has one too. They're so nice. Here. I'm obsessed. They gave us this for free. It says on the house with a smiley face. That's what Lauren got.
No.
My dad got. So we met him for lunch because he works over by here. Had
Hello.
sushi with him. What did you get? What kind of sushi did you get?
I had some salmon, some tuna, some
Nigiri.
whitefish, some swordfish.
He had like the real fish,
All
not the
nigiri.
rolls.
I'm
Yeah.
a nigiri guy.
I'm a nigiri gal.
Yeah, we had the monster
Why
mucus
was your
too.
dad talking about mucus?
What is that?
Monster mucus wasn't half bad.
Monster
I
mucus?
love mucus.
You guys always ask me about Lauren's outfit. So her dress is from Brandy. Her shirt is mine, I'm pretty sure, from Brandy. Her bag is from Urban. Nike Air Force
Brand new Air
One.
Force One.
This is a picnic bag. And it is from Tanner's mom.
Amazon. Wristlets from Etsy from Frank and Jones or something. Phone case is Casetify.
He's asking me my shirts from Walmart,
Okay.
shorts from PacSun, shoes from Champs, so you know how it be.
So we had our sushi. It was delicious. I feel like I could be in a food coma right now. Our lunch special came with soup and crab rangoon. And they gave us an appetizer thing on the house. I don't know what it was, but it was so good. Now we're off to go and get coffee. Went to this super cute plant nursery, like a big plant place, and I got like a little palm tree for my room. Super cute. I can't wait to show you guys. Palm plant. I guess it's not a palm
Tree, it sounds like.
I said a little palm tree. What is your opinion on Ikea so far? We just walked up.
I already want something.
You already want
Wait, are we in the
something?
store already or not?
No, not really.
I want it already.
I'm gonna get this couch when I move out. You like? Matches my aesthetic.
Everything just makes sense.
Everything's amazing, right? Mind is blown and it's only the very first room. Like we look, you guys, we just walked in. Made it to the warehouse portion of Ikea. Vlog as much as possible, but I feel like I was just kept vlogging the same things. This is where you go and get everything. Okay, Tanner's getting the full experience. Aisle 11, bin, whatever. But Lauren's Kia Soul is coming in clutch with all of these compartments. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like little like dividers underneath the normal like floorboard thing. But anyways, this is the like little palm plant that I got. Like, doesn't it look like a mini palm tree? Sneak peek of our plants. So we've got them all like loaded up, and then some random stuff we got at Ikea. Tanner's debating about buying a coffee table, so we tried to make space for it.